Better do another one. This is the path in our backyard that Carmen has never seen. And so I thought, I'm walking down the path that's on the side of our house right now. And we kind of walk downhill like this. And I better get on the grass. I don't have any shoes on and my feet are hot. Your feet hot, Soph?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, I'm going to step over here. So you walk around. And you could go all the way around like that. And then here's a place you can go sit, and it's got a little barbecue, so you can barbecue out there. And then you just keep walking around, and that's about it. And then there's Sophie standing on the grass because our feet are hot. And then there's our house. Come on, Shay. And then we have to walk back up this hill. Come on, Shay. And that's our path. She's got a whole bunch of hairstylists and the other esthetician that so that worked with me. I was really sad to see her go. And then,
is it a good business? I mean, are people, a lot of people want facials and things like that?
It depends on where you work. You know, a lot of places do really well. You do really well. Waverly Lake is like everyone knows poor Carol, and Carol's not the nicest person. And so, anyways, she doesn't get any walking business. And so I go out and market. Yeah, I give out my business cards and offer 20% off facials.
Low.
And that's how I'm getting any business at all right now. Yeah, I had to start from scratch. So, I go up to the hairstylist while they're doing someone's hair and give them my card and talk to them about what I do. And I'll go 20% off and a free eyebrow wax.
I'm just going to take the tape off. That's it.
I have a woman that works up, or lives up north.
Lexi?
She said she had a facial and said, get a whole bunch of her business cards. She said she can get facials. And so anyways, so she comes in and tells me about everything that's going on. So it's nice when you don't have a lot of customers because you get to know the ones that you do have, you know. She brought me flowers the other day. She was at the flower shop getting flowers for a funeral. And she bought me flowers too.